I need a new camera, but...
The heart has its reason, of which reason knows nothing, said Blaise Pascal.
Simply put, sometimes our feelings and emotions can guide us in ways that logic can't explain. Now, was that extremely relevant for a video about cameras? Probably not, but is that gonna stop me from telling you about some more textbook garbage to drive a fucking point? Probably not. There are two types of thinkers, emotional and logical. Logical being the analytical, rational, reason-driven, facts, evidence, all that stuff. And emotional being intuitive, value-centric, more feelings-based. Now, this is not all black and white. Humans are a mixture of both, although the balance varies from people to people. Now, when it comes to me and if I take all my character traits into account, data would suggest that I fall heavily on the logical side of the spectrum. Now, all of this data, all of this psychological jargon won't make any sense when I tell you about my camera. Now, I'm not saying I'm like weirdly attached to my camera in any capacity whatsoever. Well, see, I've always loved cameras and I have a collection of sorts. Some are vintage that don't work anymore. This particular one shoots in DV tapes. Some are a little old for these times, and some are built for very specific scenarios. But the one that I use for everything.
A big package, I think it's my camera. It's a Nikon D5100.
Now this is my camera, the Nikon D5100, my very first. Father got this for me when I was 14 as I convinced him that I was into photography, but actually I just wanted to make YouTube videos. I mean, the camera is dog shit, but it kind of became a part of me. Every single video I made in the last 10 years was shot on this, and I've put this through hell. Major events include wrecked it trying to film the super cyclone Amphan,
Completely drenched my camera.
smashed it trying to jump rocks in Goa, then damaged it in Ollie and then broke the lens in Sandapur. And in Sikkim it finally gave up on me.
Camera is not working for some reason.
I tried to fix it though. I mean, it has served its time. It is a decade old. The autofocus doesn't work, the video is super grainy, but I keep getting it fixed. I don't know why. I fixed it more times than I can count. I even tried fixing it on my own. I spent more money fixing this camera than what it's worth. That's not logical or rational, but there is this difficulty of letting it go. Now, I have to get a new camera, but being in the market after 10 years can get a little confusing. Too many stuff in the market. You cannot look at cameras individually. You have to filter out the cameras based on the specs you prioritizes. Priority number one should always be video quality. If you're a fucking moron, 2025, every camera is good enough for fucking YouTube. Now, I do a lot of travel stuff, so my features are kind of tailored to that. Number one for me is battery life. Now, it might sound absolutely dumb, but it's better than looking like an idiot fiddling with wires and extra batteries in the middle of a shoot. Number two for me is size and weight. Now, the previous one was a little big. It was a fat boy. It was hard carrying it around all day in my fucking bag. Now, I like him small and tiny, just how I... Number three is budget. It should be reasonable, even if you saved up for a while. The thing is, if it's too expensive, you start caring about it too much, then it's just your shots are lost, you have failed. You have to be okay with a little wear and tear once in a while to get the shots you want. And it's much easier if the camera is not super expensive. Now, taking all my priorities into account, I landed on the Sony ZV E10 Mark II. It's a handful of... It sounds like Elon's child. But it's a good machine. It's small, the battery is good, and it's an awesome camera.
And the boy did the smart thing, what he should have done ages ago. You cannot let your feelings dictate things like buying a...
I couldn't do it. I'm getting this one fixed again. The quality sucks, I know this is old. But I've held this for 10 years. I know every little thing about this guy. So I got it serviced once again and I took it to one of the most beautiful places in India, the Valley of Flowers. And it stopped working mid-trip. Yeah, surprise, surprise, not like this happened every single trip before this. I mean, that's just electronics. They get old and they die. They don't have will. It's a tool at the end of the day. You shouldn't have to care for it, let alone baby it. Maybe care for the idea, hold on to that.
not a machine, and not a camera for God's sake. A camera should only help you bring your ideas to life, and that's pretty much it. But sometimes along the way you end up developing an absurd attachment to something that does not make any sense. But you know,
The heart has its reason, of which reason knows nothing.
He was a friend of mine. He was a friend of mine.